Welcome back. In this video, we will write our first program where we will output the hello world in the terminal. Let's start. This line declares that this Go file belongs to the main package. The main package is special. It's the entry point for executable Go program. After, we need to import fmt package, which stands for format. It provides functions for formatting input and output. In this program, we are using it to print text in the console. Then we need to define the main function, which serves as the entry point for the program. When the program runs, execution starts from the main function. Inside the main function, we have to call println function from the fmt package. This line prints the string hello world in the terminal. Now, to run this application, to see the result, we have to write in the terminal go run and app.go. The go run command takes the following file, compile it into an executable, save it in temporary directory, and then runs the program. We should see hello world displayed in our terminal. We just successfully write our first program. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to this channel.